Welcome to our channel. How to install and configure TP-Link Archer AX55 AX3000 router. Unbox and plug it in. Take the router out, plug the power in, and hit the power button. LED lights should start blinking. Don't freak out if it looks like it's having a seizure. That's normal at first boot. Connect to your modem. Grab an Ethernet cable. Plug one end into your modem and the other into the WAN port on the Archer AX55, usually blue. Power cycle your modem if needed. Router and modem need to see each other. Connect a device. Use another Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. There's a default SSID and password on the sticker under the router. Laptop, phone, whatever. Just get a device on the network. Open the web interface. Go to a browser and type tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1. Hit enter. If it doesn't load, check your cables and that your device is actually connected to the router. You'll see a login screen. Default. Admin, admin. Quick setup wizard. Follow the wizard. Choose your internet type, usually DHCP, automatic, unless your ISP told you otherwise. If you don't know, just pick automatic. It'll grab IP, DNS, all that behind the scenes stuff. Set Wi-Fi name and password. Change the SSID and password from the defaults. Make something you'll remember but not password 123. 2 bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. You can name them differently if you like. Makes life easier for devices. Update firmware. Go to System Tools, right pointing arrow, firmware upgrade. Let it check online. If there's an update, do it. Seriously, this fixes a ton of random problems. Don't skip this. Configure security and features. Turn on WPA3 if your devices support it. Enable guest network if you want. Maybe disable WPS if you're paranoid. Set parental controls or codes if you need them. Otherwise, leave defaults for now. Test it. Disconnect the Ethernet. Connect a device over Wi-Fi. Browse a few sites. Run a speed test. Everything should just work. If not, reboot the router. Most problems are just a bad handshake between modem and router. Thank you for watching.